Made over £500 in savings as a student, and I used my student ID card. So if that's something that's of interest to you, make sure you stick around to the end. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome to another video. My name is Godfrey, for those who are new to the channel. On this channel I share with you experiences that make a difference. So today, as we're talking about how you can make some savings with your student ID. So I moved to the UK, did my masters, and I realized that I went to a shop, and when I think at that day I had my student card just hung around my neck. So the lady at the till was like, "Oh, are you a student? Yeah, you could have a discount." So I didn't even know about it. Nobody mentioned it to me. So I was like, okay, yeah, try it out. So at that time I bought it, and I think I got like 15% discount, and I bought something that was worth £30. So you might think that, yeah, this is not much, but trust me, that is not it. Just hold on. The other side where I also made a lot of savings with my student ID was transportation. So in Nottingham, where I schooled and I did my masters, they've got this transport system. So the Nottingham Transport, City Transport, and they run through the whole city, internal, both external, with the trams and what have you, right? So if you're a student, I remember as at that time when we came, it was like around £225 for like the whole year. Can you imagine? Like the whole academic year paying only £225, and it's unlimited travel. So you get to move on the buses anytime, regardless if you want to go 1,000 times. Nobody gives a damn about you, to be honest. Yes, so and as at that time, if you're not doing the annual or the academic one, what you're going to do is like a £50 for the whole, I think for 31 days. That's what they were doing, right? So I'm sure you might find something similar within your city or wherever you're schooling. And once you're a student, look, you have no excuse to take advantage of this. And the beauty of it is that there's some shops, booths, there's some Costa Coffee. You can enjoy lots of things all on discount just because you're a student. Just with your student ID card, it qualifies you for a lot of discounts. So I'll entreat you to go for the annual packages. So what I noticed was that by using my student ID to eat, to buy stuff, I was making an average savings of about over £150 every semester, and that for me is like a great saving. So yeah, let me know if you find it useful. Let me know what you think about today's video. If you are a student, or if you know someone who's a student, make sure you share to them. Let them take advantage of it. Ask around if you don't know, but always remember to carry it along. Carry your student ID along so that you'll be given the discount. So yeah, join the family. Why don't you subscribe to the channel if you've watched up to this point? Make sure you like, share, and then also comment and share with anybody you can share with. Thank you.